Daddy Jack's cooking with the blues today. So it's cold here in New England, the tail end of 2018, and man, we got the cold weather hitting. So my sister had a nice ham at the house. So I've been simmering this now for a little bit of time. Nice little ham bone. So we're gonna do a split pea soup. So now we'll add some split peas, the green. You get a green or yellow split pea. We're gonna do a green. I like a lot of ham left in that split pea. Okay. Then I have a lot of veg. So this is celery. I always rinse out my pan a little bit. Got some red onion, carrots, some fennel in here. Add a little bit more water to it. So that's it. We're gonna adjust the seasoning once it starts boiling, simmering down. Just let that boil up for about an hour or so. But we'll check it midway through. We'll be back. Alright, so here's our split pea soup, moving along real good. So I'm going to pull this bone off with the meat on it. Let that cool a little bit. And then we'll pull the meat off. Let the peas continue to cook. So you got big pieces in there, I leave it in there. The lucky person gets that in their bowl of pea soup. And then we got some more here. So I think it's got about another 20 minutes to go. So that's it. We'll let that cool. We got most of the flavor out of the bone. Okay. Got a nice amount of ham in there. Alright, we will be back. Alright, so I got the other hams been cooking in here about a half hour or so. There's what was left on the bone. See that? I don't waste anything. No? Here's another little trick of mine. A little bit of bacon fat at the end. Give it that nice smoke flavor. You put that at the beginning too. Cook a little bacon into it if you want. I didn't. But those beans will absorb some of that fat. Beautiful right there. Somebody called Dr. Drew, tell him we got that split pea soup. They'd be right over like it. We called him right now and told him to come over. Dr. Drew will be here in about 10 minutes. He lives 15 minutes away. I don't know how he does it. So a little bit of bone in here, but that way we know we made it from scratch. Somebody gets that bone here. I'm just going to take a taste, see where we're at. Salt, pepper wise. Just a little bit more salt, pepper, and we're good to go. Some people like hot sauce in there. did, I just scrounged around the bottom for a piece of that well done outside beef. Cold weather soup and warm me right to the bone. My friend Chuck, he was from Detroit. He told me about it. He worked for a Ford Motor Company, him and his brother, master mechanics. They go to a place in Detroit where all the industrial area was. This place just specialized in ham and eggs, ham steak and eggs, lunch ham salad, grilled ham and cheese. Every day they either had on the bone that pit ham. They either had split pea or navy bean soup every day. Line out the door. So simple concepts, it's the way to go. Hope you enjoy it. Peace.